Have you ever wondered how much of your daily life artificial intelligence influences without you even realizing? It's an omnipresent force, subtly weaving its way into the fabric of our everyday existences. It's in that smartphone you're probably holding right now, powering features like predictive text and facial recognition. It's in the invisible algorithms that curate your social media feeds, learning your preferences, and serving you content that aligns with your interests. It's in the voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, ready to answer your questions, play your favorite music, or control your smart home devices with just a simple command. It's in the countless ways it streamlines our lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. From personalized shopping recommendations to traffic predictions for your daily commute, AI is there, working behind the scenes. It's not just a tool, it's a revolutionary shift in how we interact with technology. The rise of AI didn't happen overnight. It's the result of decades of research, experimentation, and technological advancements. Let's rewind to the mid-20th century, a time when the concept of AI was just a seed, a dream of creating machines that could mimic human thinking. Fast forward to 1997, a pivotal year in AI history. That's when Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer developed by IBM, defeated the world chess champion. It was a moment that signaled to the world that machines could indeed outthink humans, at least in some ways. Then came the development of neural networks, a game changer that allowed computers to learn and adapt, much like the human brain. This set the stage for the rise of machine learning in the 2010s, giving birth to the AI we know and interact with today. These milestones in AI development have not only pushed the boundaries of what machines can do, but have also fundamentally changed our understanding of intelligence and cognition. But why is AI such a transformative field in computing? Artificial intelligence fundamentally alters the way we approach problem solving within the realm of computing. Instead of painstakingly programming every single command, we're now teaching machines to learn and adapt. This shift from manual programming to AI-guided learning is like moving from a horse-drawn carriage to a self-driving car. AI's ability to process and analyze colossal amounts of data, far beyond human capabilities, is another game changer. This power has led to breakthroughs in fields as diverse as healthcare, where AI can predict disease patterns, to climate science, where it helps model complex environmental interactions. Looking ahead, the potential future of AI is staggering. Consider advancements in autonomous vehicles, which could redefine transportation, or AI-based predictive modeling, which could forecast societal trends with unprecedented accuracy. AI is not just another computing tool, it's a paradigm shift, a new way of thinking about and interacting with our world, and it's just getting started.